Pool robots are a lifesaver. These gadgets use advanced robotic technology to scrub the walls and floors of any size pool or spa. They do a better job than most of us, and they save time. There's a wide variety of options on the market for buying pool cleaning robots, and for this reason, we've analyzed and selected the best automatic pool cleaning robots so that you can enjoy a clean and sparkling pool during the summer. If you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now, so make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. For those in search of exceptional value for their investment, the Aiper Seagull Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner stands out as a top pick for 2024. This model, boasting wireless functionality and impressive self-sufficiency, ranks as one of the most feature-rich and powerful robotic pool cleaners available today. Aiper has crafted the Seagull Pro with a durable, athletic build. Its sizable, sturdy frame is reminiscent of an off-road vehicle, equipped with large, motor-driven wheels and a PVC front roller dedicated to dislodging debris from your pool's floor and walls. The device features a singular, easy-to-use control, a prominent wheel atop the cleaner, encircled by an LED indicator displaying battery life. This indicator changes color to signify remaining charge: green for over 90%, blue for 50 to 89%, yellow for 10 to 49%, and red when below 9%. Twisting this dial allows users to select from 3 cleaning modes, tailoring the session to their needs. Maintenance is hassle-free. Simply empty, rinse the tank to free any trapped debris from the filters, and reattach it for another round of cleaning. The charging port, located on the side and protected by a waterproof rubber cap, ensures safety when the unit is submerged. Additionally, a convenient handle at the front, complemented by an included hook, makes retrieval effortless. This handy little model doesn't just clean, it excels, offering unparalleled autonomy suitable for pools as large as 300 square meters. The operation is straightforward, requiring minimal upkeep. Just set it up and it takes care of the rest, even shutting down and awaiting pickup once finished. With the Seagull Pro, pool cleaning becomes a task you can permanently check off your list, thanks to its superb performance and ease of use. For those willing to invest a bit more for top-tier quality, the Dolphin Explorer E50 stands out as the best premium robotic pool cleaner for 2024. The Dolphin Explorer E50 transforms pool maintenance, offering complete management with various cleaning cycles, including an efficient 1.5-hour option. Perfect for pools up to 50 feet, this automated cleaner lets you set up cleaning sessions from anywhere via the My Dolphin Plus app, thanks to its Wi-Fi capability. Simply connect your smartphone, and you're set for maintaining pristine pool conditions with ease. The Dolphin Explorer E50 excels in agility, especially on vertical surfaces, ensuring thorough cleaning right up to the waterline. Backed by a 24-month warranty, it promises reliability and exceptional performance for larger pools, delivering rigorous scrubbing and superior filtration. Its advanced design ensures it effortlessly navigates vertical walls, providing thorough cleaning along the waterline. Additionally, the newly introduced My Dolphin Plus app enhances user experience by offering customizable scheduling and direct control over the cleaning process. The cleaner also features a convenient lift mode, positioning itself at the pool's edge for easy removal. Maintenance is straightforward with a user-friendly top-loading filler system. Simply open, remove the basket, and rinse off any debris. With options for a swift 1.5-hour clean or a more comprehensive 2.5-hour cycle, keeping your pool spotless has never been quicker or more efficient. If you're on the market for a robotic pool cleaner that marries luxury with performance, and your budget allows, the Dolphin Explorer E50 is an excellent choice. Up next, allow us to introduce the Polaris VRX IQ Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner, our top pick for the smartest robotic pool cleaner in 2024. This advanced cleaner isn't just about navigating your pool's floor. It effortlessly scales walls and navigates over steps and benches, thanks to its 4-wheel drive system, ensuring unmatched traction, maneuverability, and stability. Offering Wi-Fi connectivity, the Polaris VRX IQ Plus brings pool cleaning into the digital age. Owners can seamlessly control the cleaner through the iAqualink app on their smartphones or even with Amazon Alexa, making it a breeze to customize settings or check the pool's temperature. The generous 70-foot power cord means this device is well suited for pools as long as 60 feet, providing ample reach for thorough cleaning sessions tailored to individual needs. Whether it's a quick spruce up or a comprehensive clean, this unit adapts to your schedule. One of the standout features we appreciate is the dirty canister indicator, alerting you to when it's time for a cleanout, ensuring uninterrupted operation. Additionally, this model boasts a unique retrieval feature. Just a button press sends the cleaner up the pool walls for easy collection, sparing you from reaching in with a pole or tugging on the cord. With 7 distinct cleaning modes, the Polaris VRX IQ Plus caters to every cleaning need, whether focusing on the floor and walls, or targeting the waterline, all selectable from the control box. This versatility, combined with user-friendly digital integration, places the Polaris VRX IQ Plus at the forefront of smart pool cleaning technology, earning our wholehearted endorsement for anyone looking to streamline their pool maintenance with a touch of sophistication. Our review spotlight now shines on the Dolphin Escape robotic pool cleaner, crowned as the superior choice for above-ground pool cleaning in 2024. Crafted by Matronics, the Dolphin Escape stands out as a pinnacle in robotic pool cleaning innovation. Specifically engineered for scrubbing pool floors clean of any dirt, debris, or algae, this model is adept at maintaining pools made from gunite or gypsum, vinyl, and fiberglass up to 30 feet in length. Unlike some models that scale walls, the Dolphin Escape focuses its prowess on the pool floor, equipped with a large capacity filter capable of capturing debris of all sizes throughout its 90-minute cleaning endeavor. It's important to note that the power adapter should be kept dry and not exposed to water or rain, ensuring safe operation. From the moment you unbox it, the Dolphin Escape is ready to go with its filter basket already in place. Just remove the protective tape used to secure parts during shipping, and it's set for action. Tailor-made for above-ground pools, a niche that not all robotic cleaners cater to, this model simplifies setup to mere minutes. A quick press of a button on the power adapter kicks off a thorough 90-minute cleaning cycle, signaled by a glowing blue light. Once cleaning is complete, the unit ceases operation, and the light switches off, marking the end of the cycle. Operating on electricity, the Dolphin Escape eliminates any downtime for charging, making it an efficient option for immediate use. This feature, combined with its specialized design for above-ground pools and ease of use, underscores why the Dolphin Escape is a top contender worth your consideration. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. And wrapping up our roundup, we're thrilled to award the top spot for the best overall robotic pool cleaner on the market in 2024 to the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus robotic pool cleaner. This cleaner is a standout, offering unparalleled cleaning efficiency from tiny particles to large leaves, making it a favorite as seasons change. Its sleek blue and black design discreetly camouflages with the pool water, ensuring it remains unobtrusive during its cleaning cycle. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus has garnered significant attention throughout 2023 and into 2024 for its rapid cleaning capabilities, even in pools extending up to 50 feet. Its user-friendly nature and straightforward removal process post-cleaning underscore its advanced design. Encased in a robust shell, this cleaner is primarily aimed at in-ground pools, though several users have found it performs admirably in above-ground pools as well. Setting up the Nautilus CC Plus is a breeze. Simply connect it to a power source and lower it into the water to begin its cleaning routine. Equipped to tackle various types of debris, including leaves and dirt, its innovative Clever Clean technology ensures thorough pool scanning and mapping to dodge obstacles efficiently. The inclusion of automated cleaning frees you up to handle other tasks, such as gardening with tools like the Work AeroCart 8-in-1 garden cart. The compact power supply, which is essential for operation, stays dry and out of the water. A conveniently placed handle on the unit facilitates easy lifting and transport, while the 60-foot cable incorporates anti-twist technology, eliminating the hassle of untangling. In essence, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus embodies the pinnacle of pool cleaning technology, blending power, efficiency, and ease of use into a single, high-effective package. Overall, this model delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, and now you've got it.